Let's discuss a new cue card, and the topic is describe an online video in which you learn something new. First of all, you have to identify the tense of the topic you learned. It's past tense. It means that you have to speak in past. And the bullets say you should say when and where you watched it, what it was, why you watched it, and explain what you have learned from it. If I have to speak, I'll say today YouTube videos are one of the biggest sources of entertainment. However, I would like to talk about a YouTube video which taught me a lot. It was a video on how to solve Sudoku, a maths puzzle. I used to see Sudoku puzzles in the newspaper and was always interested in learning about them. However, I always thought they were very tough and that only math geniuses could solve them. So I never tried them. This changed recently because of the YouTube video. 4 to 5 months ago, I got a random video suggestion on solving Sudoku puzzles. I just clicked on the video for fun, planning to close it after a while, but I ended up with watching the whole 15 minutes video till the end. As the video started describing Sudoku, I learned that it is not that difficult. In fact, the difficulty of the Sudoku varies. In the Tribune, the difficulty goes up from 1 star to 5 star. The first 5 minutes of the video explained all the rules of Sudoku. Then it recommended a basic strategy for beginners like me. There were some suggestions like using a pencil instead of the pen in the beginning. The last 5 minutes covered some advanced strategies. Immediately after watching the video, I opened the e-Tribune and tried their daily Sudoku. To my surprise, I was able to solve it in less than 10 minutes. I know to others it might not be a big deal, but it made my day. Nowadays, I solve Sudoku daily. I'm able to solve 1 star to 4 star difficulty levels easily, but the 5 star ones takes me over 2 hours. This is the end of cue card. Now you'll be asked follow-up questions. What possible questions could be asked? Let's have a look. Do you think online learning will replace face-to-face learning? This is opinion-based question. You can say, no, I don't think online learning will completely replace face-to-face learning. I imagine a scenario of blended learning where a mixture of both will be used. There are some key advantages of face-to-face learning, like the chance to address doubts immediately, which make it irreplaceable. Moreover, there is the element of competition and motivation in offline learning, which is lacking in online learning. Question number 2. What are the advantages of online learning? You have to explain 2 to 3 advantages. The first advantage of online learning is the flexibility. Students can learn whenever and wherever they want. They can also study at their own pace, giving more time to the concepts they find difficult. Secondly, online learning is cheaper, not only for the students but also for universities as they can teach many more students. Finally, online learning reduces the barrier of age and location. For example, people can get quality education from foreign universities without needing to move abroad. This is the answer. Then comes next question. Question number 3. Why are so many young people obsessed with short videos? The first reason, you can say, the first reason is that they are easy to consume. We can watch them while waiting in line or traveling. They don't ask for a long time commitment. Secondly, people today have short attention spans, so it is difficult for people to watch long videos. Lastly, video creators also make shorts in an innovative way to grab as much attention as possible. Next question. Do you think people spend too much time watching short videos and why? You can answer, Yes, they are addictive. Moreover, they give us the assumption that we are only watching them for a minute or so, but we end up watching many videos together, wasting hours on them. The millions and billions of views on these videos prove that we are spending too much time on them. Next question, question number 5. Are there many people who watch online videos a lot? You can say yes, there are many people who watch online videos a lot. It is common as there are videos on nearly everything. The algorithm of these platforms makes sure that we are shown videos based on our interest and there is something for everybody. That we are shown videos based on our interest and that there is something for everybody. Last question, question number 6. What kinds of videos are most popular in your country? I think humorous videos or animal videos, the ones about dogs and cats doing hilarious things, are most popular. They are the ones that get shared with me the most on WhatsApp or Facebook. This is the end of cue card and follow up questions.